Today we are making gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. In a large bowl, add almond flour, tapioca flour, and baking powder. Stir to combine. Add maple syrup and vanilla. Stir again to combine. Using your hands or a back of a fork, press ingredients together. Transfer dough onto work surface. Continue to gather dough until you have a soft, non-sticky dough. Add chocolate chips and knead to incorporate into the dough. Gently roll into a log. Divide dough into 16 pieces. Roll each section and place on prepared baking sheet. Flatten cookies. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. For more gluten-free, vegan recipes, visit oasishealth.ca.